Hi, and welcome back to MyExcelOnline.com. Today we are going to show you how to make a double line graph in Microsoft Excel. So by the end of this video, you should be able to take two sets of data, like I have here in columns B and C, and create a double line graph right here, like I have in this chart. Also, we will have some additional training options for you at the end of this video, so stick around for that. So here I have an Excel spreadsheet with my data for sales in 2023 in column B and sales in 2024 in column C by sales rep right here in column A. So if I select my data set and I go up to insert and I go over here to line chart, I can just select this first chart here for 2D line, and you can see that Excel very quickly made a double line chart for sales in 2023 and sales in 2024. If you are liking this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell button to get notified when we release our weekly videos. And Excel even put the legend down here so I can tell which sales are from what year based on the color of the line in the graph. Now we go over this a lot more in detail out on our blog, and I'm going to include a link to that blog entry in the description below on YouTube if you would like to go there and learn more. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them for us and we'll get back to you. Thanks for watching, and see you again next time. If you want to learn more about Microsoft Excel and Office, join our Academy online course and access more than 1,000 video training tutorials so that you can advance your level and get the promotions, pay raises, or new jobs. The link to join our Academy online course is in the description.
If you like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you're really serious about advancing your Microsoft Excel skills so you can stand out from the crowd and get the jobs, promotions and pay rises that you deserve, then click up here and join our Academy online course today.